Hello everyone, welcome back to Skyscraper Games. I'm at the skyscrapergames.com website and I'm in the editor. This is Quick Start Lesson 9. So if you haven't done lessons 1 through 8, go back and do them now, or at least load the code file from lesson 8 so that you're at the same spot I am. So let's just take a look at what we have so far. So I've got my game, and the blue dot is the player, the red dot is the computer. The computer chases the player around, and then when he catches them, the screen turns white. So far so good. Now last time I put in this print statement, final speed, and then I commented it out so we could look at it this time because I want to show you a couple things that are going on here. So basically, I've got the computer chasing me. If I let him catch me, now you can see that my final speed there is 8, but now it's going down to 7, and it's just printing over and over. So not exactly what I want to have happen there. So besides the game over variable, I'm going to add a variable here called, under the engine variables, called message printed. I'm going to set that equal to false. Alright, so down here, if the game is over, I'm going to say if self.message printed equals false, and I want to clear the screen, and I want to print the message, and I want to set self.message printed equal to true. Now up above, I also think that I don't necessarily want it to do this calculation every time, because obviously if I look at my output, it's still calculating the keys and the turns and all of that, so that could use up some processing that we don't need to use. So in this update self function, I want to add a line that says if self.gameover, and then just put the word return, which means it will exit that function without doing anything. So now let me clear my output and let me run it. And here it comes. He's chasing me, and then my final speed was 3, which is not bad. Now, obviously 1 is the fastest the computer can get. Alright, and that's it for this game. There are a couple more quick start lessons that focus on some more advanced topics and adding in some randomization, restarting the game and things like that. But quick start lessons 1 through 9 give you some basic code that you can use to start to see how the skyscraper works, and then you can start thinking of your own game. So obviously you could make a character that's more than 1 pixel and move that around. You can have random features. You can do a lot of different things, but what we've done here is just giving you some basic building blocks that you can start to use and manipulate to see what else you can come up with. And I'm excited to see what else you can come up with as well. So happy coding, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, Matt, at excitecenter.org. Thanks, guys.